Hi there, today we're going to learn how to create a simple drop-down menu in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio website. Oh, by the way, I'm just using a template for it. And first things first, you need to decide where you want to put your drop-down menu. But usually it's listed on the upper part of your website. So I'll just add another section right here so that we can see it more clearly. And then once we've done this, we can proceed to add an element. And then we'll just search for menu on the search bar of this pop-up window right here. And once you've done this, you will find a variety of menus that you can choose from, but we'll just use the simple menu option. And then once you have your menu right here, you can drag and drop it to anywhere that you want. You can stretch it across the website. You can adjust the size by dragging and dropping it. But to make it a drop-down menu, let's go on to manage menu. And then one way to do a drop-down menu is that you can just drag and drop the specific page to the right. And then you'll see a line right here that way you can release the drag and drop for the page, and then it will automatically create a drop-down menu. But another option for is you can click on add item, you can just click on drop down, and then now we have our drop down menu. Then you can change the name for it. And then once you're done, you can just, oops, sorry, you can just drag and drop the specific pages that you want to include to the drop down menu. For example, we'll just drag it here and drag it here. And now we have our drop down menu. So once we preview the page, we now have our drop down menu working as intended. But if you want to edit it further, example, just click on manage menu again. If you want to add some pages, you can just click all of it and then apply. Then you'll find the other pages right here on the drop down menu as well. And we can just remove this since we'll not be using it. If you want to edit the look of the drop down menu, you can just click on settings. You can change the animation packages if you want. And then for the layout, you can change this as well. So instead of this navigation bar, you can make it into a hamburger layout. You can choose if you want to include the text. And then you can drag and drop this. So it just depends on your preference. You just need to experiment with the different menus that, or the different features that Wix Studio has. But if I make it into a hamburger, it will not be a drop-down menu anymore, but instead it will be a hamburger menu. And it will be displayed on this pop-up sidebar like that. But we still have our drop-down menu inside of it. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you learned how to make your own drop-down menu. Just need to experiment with the different features that Wix Studio has. And thank you for watching.